Hey guys, today is another episode of Ultimate Team. Today I'm gonna make a squad builder, a 10k squad builder. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and let's start. At first, our formation is 4-2-2, the best formation I've ever seen. Maybe 4-2-1-2, but I recommend 4-2-2, please. So at goal we have Marchetti. This guy is just a brother of Casillas. He's so strong and powerful. At the beginning he was bad, but he needs chemistry. And then we have Manholders. That guy's a beast. He's an average, the finest defenders I've ever seen. 79 pace, 78 defending. And the Skiggly. Oh my god, 74 defending and 85 pace. Guys, please. 85 pace. Too much. And then we have at left back 74 pace and 80 defense. That is just too much. So that's too much for defense. And then look at Presidians and Villa, 77 defending, and he and Meadow. Oh my gosh, so happy I have them. And then look who is here, Meadow, the beast himself, 78 defending, 76 pace. Oh my god, this is getting better and better. And then we have Insigne, 88 pace. Okay, shooting is a bit, okay, you know what I mean. And then Callahan, oh my god, the 89 pace is just on 78 shooting. Better than any Callahan. And so you all know what he does from Mini-Mentors and all these YouTubers' videos. This guy's epic and he will be bobbing much too much. Look at him with these Ibarbo, it's 891 pace and 71 shooting. This is Magnets, and here's the team. Guys, don't forget that this team can take it to Division 6. If you want more, I can make another squad builder, and I swear this team is so strong. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more, and please drop a like. Peace out.